Okay, class, so today we are going to be doing a lesson on the Nazi German invasions in Europe leading up to and during World War II. We're going to be focusing on the key countries that the Nazis invaded and either took over or at least controlled for a period of time prior to or during World War II. So that's our focus today, and today's focus is obviously memorizing important dates, invasions, and the locations of the invasions. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using a class Google presentations, like Google Slides, you're going to be working in groups, and you're going to each choose a country that you're going to research the invasion, and you're going to put information on the PowerPoint and then present it to the class. So the way that Google Slides works is basically I've already set up the slides for you. This is the presentation slide, and then there are 10 different slides or countries to present. And what you're going to do is when you're going to find your country, and you're going to have the following information on here that you're going to type yourself. So what I've done is I've already put the name of the country and a blank map of 1930s, 1940s Europe. As you can see, Czechoslovakia is here, and yeah, so it's an older map of Europe, but still most of the countries are pretty similar. And you're going to fill out the information of the date of invasion, and obviously the location is here, and then any important information. And you are going to fill these out. And basically what I want you to focus on when you're putting important information in is what's going to help you remember it. What are some key events? For Austria, it was a non-violent invasion. It was the Anschluss. It was voted in by Austria. Czechoslovakia, to remember that, it was kind of given to Germany. Poland started World War II. Those are just some examples, but that's the information you're going to focus on. And how you're going to get to this web page and use this technology is you're going to go to just Google Slides, and or actually I will put a link to the site. I'm going to share it here. I'm going to get a shareable link, and I'm going to post it to the class website, and you're just going to click on it, and you'll all be able to access this and edit it, and then I will put it on the projector screen for you to present with. So all the essentials are already in there. I've already set up the map for you. The way you're going to indicate the country is you can go ahead and put an arrow in here and just end up, like, say you're studying France, just do that, put the arrow in, and then add a text box. I realize I'm on the Austria page, but you would add the text box and just type in France. Not on the Austria page, please, but that's the general idea. So it's going to be really easy to use this technology. I've already set it up for you, but basically all of your tools are up here using the lines and arrows, text boxes. If you want to add any other images, you do so here, and you can go ahead with the text here, change the font, size, and all that there. So it's basically just like using a regular PowerPoint presentation. I'm just going to be sharing the link with you, and you just do it online. Good luck!